Hello, this is Tom Psillas. I'm going to give you a little tour of the Wet Crow site 2023. We just went live recently in the last couple of weeks with a few more products I want to introduce you to. Let's walk through. Let's take a look at furniture assembly for a second. Okay. I want to show you the new way of doing things. Okay, I click on furniture assembly in the front page. I'm looking for furniture assembly guy in Denver, Colorado. Okay, so I already have that selected. Now here are the products. You can see all the products, a bookcase assembly. I mean, all different types. And if you look close, you can see that we have a range of prices depending on who it is and where it is. Okay, these are the prices generally across the country. Chair assembly. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and do, let's do which one I like to do, the bookcase assembly. Let's do that one right here. I'm going to click on that. I want to show what it looks like. All right, click it, let's go. Okay, now, here's what happens. As soon as I click, it's going to bring up, right now it's searching for appointments. It's searching for prices and appointments. And in about a minute or so, there you go. And here we go. You can see right here, I have a bunch of appointments. You can look close by. Bookcase assembly, $99. They're all charging the same price. We can set it up. We have you set up for Thursday at 10:30 a.m. Okay? Now, unfortunately, we're still tweaking the site, as you can tell. Here's what we have for the price. Normally, this is side by side, but because we didn't have much room on my computer here. It's coming up, it's coming up on top because it's a longer name, and we're showing the day, time of day, and all that. But anyway, here's what happens. Here's what you get for the price. Okay, everything's the same. This is what I mean when I talked about not using lead generation companies. When you go like Angi List or some of these other companies, what they're doing is they're asking you for a quote. How moronic is that? Why would you need a quote to assemble a bookcase when it's a simple task? We already know it's going to take 2 hours to do it. It's a standard bookcase you get from IKEA or Target or Walmart or almost any place. Okay, they're all, no matter who you go through, the price is going to range between $89. It's going to range between, what price did I show you before? It's going to range in that price range. It's not going to be much different. Okay, it's going to range between. I think I showed you before. It was $89 to $119, okay? Depending on the part of the country you're in. All right? So now, I give you an appointment. Here's what we're doing for you. Here's the appointments that you have available. You choose one, whichever one is more available. Click on this guy. Bingo! You're gonna check out. You have to log in. Okay, you log in, you register, whatever you have to do. And then you're back. Now you have your cart here. Now, if the provider, they're gonna give you, you're gonna get option here to pay $75 to add the cart for them to pick it up from the store for you. If you want the provider to pick up the thing from IKEA or wherever it's at, I think it's within 30 miles. I think it tells you right here. 1 to 2 hours before your appointment, they're gonna go pick it up an hour or two before your appointment. They're gonna bring it to your home, and they're gonna bring it upstairs and help, and they're gonna install it for you. Okay. I know it's expensive, but you know what? If you had to go pay somebody to deliver, it's going to cost you at least $60, $70 anyway. So you might as well have the guy that's going to do the job pick it up for you. He'll do a better job. He'll probably bring an assistant along with him, and you're going to come out way ahead. Now here's your total right here. You can see the checkout screen. All you got to do is check out and pay. I mean, how simple, how hard is that? Right there, no extra added charges. Except whether you're going to have taxes in some areas, okay? That's it. There you go again. Here's your payment mode. You're going to have your wallet inside, or it's going to, depending on, or we use Stripe in some cases. Here's everything there. It pulls out from your wallet your credit card information. It's only you can see it, okay? It's going to plop in. There it goes, October 10th, whatever. There's the expiration date. I'm going to click the submit button, and you're going to get your appointment right there. Now, and here's your receipt already. Here's your confirmation for your appointment, September 14th at 10:30 a.m. Now, let me ask you something, folks. How much simpler is that than going to Angi List or Home Advisor or any of these other lead generation sites who are going to sell when you put in the request for a quote, they're going to sell your information 20 times. They're going to make $2,000 off of you, okay, for a $99 item. Come on. How much of a no-brainer is that, okay? This is how we do business, okay? This is not how you do business. This is not how you order stuff. So please remember that when you're a customer, when you're buying, or if you're one of our competitors, okay, I'm going to require this is going to be a must-see video for all my competitors because I want you to see this. I want you, the handyman, to see this is how simple we do business with the customer. This is how your customer. It takes him less than 5 minutes. He's already got the price. He's already got the appointment. He's already booked it. He doesn't have to wait to mess around with getting quotes from Angelus and getting 40 calls from, a bunch of, idiots. They're going to be calling you who are stupid to go with them and buy leads from them and use them when a customer can come here and do it much cheaper. That's why we can do it much cheaper. They're going to charge you $200 to some of that bookers, I promise you, because that's what they do. Because they got to sit there and sell you. They got to come and see the thing. They want to see it. Then they tell you, oh, maybe if I see, I might have to charge you more when I come out there. I'm going to charge you a $75 service charge. And I'm not even going to pick it up for you for that price. Okay, come on, people. Let's get real. Okay? Let's start doing business the right way. I mean, I'm just tired of seeing people getting screwed every time. I've had it. And I'm going to put an end to it, okay? This is the future of doing business, okay? Okay. Again, we'll talk about it in the future. Well, I have more videos coming out about this topic. Thank you.